Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate AT&T International Day Pass. First, open the AT&T website on your computer or phone. At the top of the page, click on the support button. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Internet. Then, from the next menu, select More Internet Help. Scroll down the page until you reach the Contact Us section. Here, you will see two options. One option is to chat with a representative. The other option is to call and speak with someone by voice. Choose the option that works best for you. If you select chat, a representative will open a chat window with you. If you choose the call option, you will be connected to an AT&T representative on the phone. Once you are connected to a representative, tell them that you want to activate International Day Pass. The representative will check your account and activate the service for you. After they finish, you should get a confirmation message or email from AT&T that your International Day Pass is active. This method is the easiest way to activate International Day Pass because a representative takes care of everything for you. Thanks for watching.